Why make it that small? Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Ghostek Cloak 3 case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. A few of the features this case has is tested for 2 times military drop standards. It's got a corner to corner precise fit with chrome finish buttons which should help them be more responsive to the touch. If you want to read the rest of the features on the box, I suggest you pause the video. This case is a 2-piece clear body combined with a polycarbonate frame, as you can see. I assume the use of 2 materials will help with shock absorption and impact. Now if only this camera would focus, you might get an actual better view of the case. As nobody wants to see a dirty phone, I'm going to give my Note 9 a quick wipe to get it nice and clean before putting it in the case. Right, let's put my Note 9 inside, see how it looks and feels. Well, it wasn't too hard to put in the case at all, and in my opinion I think it looks quite nice. The silver frame goes well with the blue colour of the Note 9. I can say when holding it, it definitely feels like your phone's protected. If the silver coloured frame's not to your liking, I think it comes in red and black as well, so you do have a choice. Now the lip on this case is not anything huge, but just remember the lips will only protect your phone on flat surfaces. If there is any stones or anything on the surface as your phone drops, it could potentially crack the screen. The only thing on this case that could possibly annoy me is the aux cable cutout size. As we all know, aux cables are not equal and some have a bigger cable surround which could interfere with the hole in this case. The last thing I want to do is have to remove my case every time I'm trying to plug in an aux cable. All in all, the case is very nice. However, saying that, I won't be dropping my phone at 10, 20 or 30 feet like some other people do, as I don't want to break it. No matter what phone case you have, none of them are indestructible, so just bear that in mind before you go throwing it around the room. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, comment what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you on the next one.